The origin of coffee. Coffee brewing history. Coffee makers have a long and varied history. The first coffee machine was invented near Düsseldorf in the early 19th century by German inventor Franz Xaver. Dubbed a Dripolator, the machine works by dripping hot water onto ground coffee beans. The coffee is then collected in the pot below. The history of coffee includes another major debate, such as how and where the coffee beans are prepared, another instance of passion for coffee. This intellectual debate is perfect for a drink known for inciting provocative ideas. The history of coffeehouses as venues for the free exchange of ideas and political dialogue in the Ottoman Empire in the 16th century is well documented. What is coffee made of? Coffee, a beverage brewed from the roasted and ground seeds of the tropical evergreen coffee plant native to Africa. Coffee is one of the 3 most popular beverages in the world.